Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and I guess there aren't any green lines here, but the red lines here, that's right, because on Friday, we really simplified things from the support standpoint and just used the purple line as our trend indicator and our main level of support, because that is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And as I talked about, keyword there being moving, as time goes by, this purple line is just going to continue to move itself upwards. And if you picture that as a trend line that's drawing itself for you, then yeah, as long as the price is staying up above an uptrending trend line, then that in and of itself implies that the price is in an uptrend, and that's what you want to see, assuming, of course, you are bullish. So again, if you picture this moving average as that trend line that draws itself for you, it's still up above, it being the price is still up above the purple line. So therefore, overall perspective of things, the bulls are still in full control. Now, on the flip side of things, this is definitely where, an update's probably not the right word, but more so confirmation. Confirmation of what? Well, this red line right here, which is what I talked about as a level of resistance, and you can see that is exactly where the price bounced up to, hovered right around that area, give or take a little bit, but then ultimately rolled back over and couldn't quite break through. So that area is still definitely public enemy number one going into tomorrow, right up there around 28 cents. And, I would definitely agree that it got weakened up today, but by the time all the dust had settled, the price is still down below it, so therefore still got to be considered an area of resistance. But that's definitely going to be kind of that short-term hurdle. If the bulls can get a good solid break of that 28-cent mark, then 35 cents is that next key level of resistance to keep an eye on. But all in all, from, like I said, taking a step back, looking at things from the grand scheme of things perspective, the price continues to make its way and stay above that purple line, and that's what you want to see, as that indicates that the overall trend remains in the bulls' favor. The week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see how things continue to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.